Salam les amis, اليوم غادي نديرو la suite ديال course B. غادي نديرو sequencing lesson 4 programming with angry birds. Les amis غادي نبداو بالlevel 1. في level 1 كاينه واحد la vidéo si vous voulez la regarder jusqu'à la fin.
We're going to learn about pair programming. In pair programming, you work as a team.
Why should two people use one computer?
Why should two people use one computer? Because two heads are better than one. We work together in an interesting kind of way.
Because we're interesting people.
We are interesting people.
In pair programming, you and your partner are going to sit down together at one computer and you are both going to work on the same project.
Right now, we're working on code monsters. Oh no, a fire monster. We don't have enough time. I'm sorry. We'll get to it later. In pair programming, one person is the driver and the other person is the navigator.
Just like driving a car. Your choice, driver or navigator?
Driver. The driver sits at the computer and is the one using the keyboard, mouse, or touchscreen and controlling the main actions of the computer. I'm setting all the arrows so that they make the character move in the direction he's trying to move.
The other person is the navigator. The navigator helps the driver by answering the driver's questions and pointing out potential problems or mistakes. Go left, and instead of righty-tighty, go right. Communication is key to a successful pair programming.
No insults. Be respectful. Don't be a bossy navigator because nobody likes a backseat driver.
Here, why can't you do this?
Wait. Hey, stop that. Give it back.
Wait,
That's not nice. Give it back.
Just one thing.
Communication is key to successful pair programming. Did the cat say something after?
You and your partner should always be talking.
Okay, so there's the cat. The driver can explain what she or he is doing. Do you think it would ruin it to type something extra? And the navigator can help suggest what to do next.
Can you write a program that makes the dog move to the target? The navigator should be thinking about the big picture.
And the driver focuses on the details.
Both roles are important.
Want to switch? Okay.
And the driver now. Be sure to switch roles often.
Okay. Wait a second. Why isn't this working?
You need to attach it up there. Look, there's a hole.
Did you see how my partner helped me figure out the puzzle on fewer tries? She caught my mistake.
Yay, good job!
Pair programming is all about working together
As a team.
Après, on va cliquer sur continuer pour passer au level 2. Les amis, click the light bulb when you need a hint. Galulina, il a brina un indice, on clique sur la petite lampe. Play with these blocks and try to get me to the pig. Les amis, vous vous rappelez du bloc repeat? On va l'utiliser dans ce niveau. Les amis, on va mettre un bloc repeat avec 3 West blocs. Après, on va cliquer sur Run. Après, on va cliquer sur Continuer pour passer au level 3. Give this one a try. Les amis, on doit respecter le workspace. On va mettre 3 blocs de sud. Après, on va cliquer sur Run. Après, on va cliquer sur Continuer pour passer au level 4. Here, piggy piggy. What can you add to the end of this code to get the bird to the pig? Les amis, on va ajouter un bloc de ouest pour que l'oiseau part chez le cochon et respecter le workspace. Après, on va cliquer sur Run. Après, on va cliquer sur Continuer pour passer au level 5. Move one way, then another to get the bird to the pig. Les amis, on va mettre un nord bloc et 2 est blocs pour respecter le workspace. Après, on va cliquer sur Run. Après, on va cliquer sur Continuer pour passer au level 6. Solve this level and get the bird to the pig. Les amis, on va mettre 3 est blocs et un sud bloc pour respecter le workspace. Après, on va cliquer sur Run. Après, on va cliquer sur Continuer pour passer au level 7. Challenge puzzle. On va cliquer sur I'm ready. Challenge. Avoid the TNT to get the bird to the pig. Les amis, on va mettre un bloc de nord, 3 blocs de est, et un bloc de sud pour respecter le workspace. Après, on va cliquer sur Run. Après, on va cliquer sur Continuer pour passer au level 8. Time for a shorter puzzle. Move one way, then another to get the bird to the pig. Les amis, on va mettre un bloc de est et un bloc de sud pour respecter le workspace. Après, on va cliquer sur Run. Après, on va cliquer sur Continuer pour passer au level 9. Get that pig. Les amis, on va mettre 4 blocs d'est pour respecter le workspace. Après, on va cliquer sur Run. Les amis, on va cliquer sur Continuer pour passer au level 10. Get the pig any way you can. Les amis, pour obtenir le cochon, vous pouvez prendre la direction que vous voulez. On va mettre un bloc repeat avec 4 blocs de est. Après, on va mettre un bloc de repeat avec 5 blocs de nord. Après, on va cliquer sur Run. Après, on va cliquer sur Continuer pour finir Lesson 4, Programming with Angry Birds. Au revoir les amis, à la prochaine leçon. N'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de liker la vidéo.